remembered forever. He was one man who, I think, as RBI governor, as finance minister, as prime minister, led India through turbulent times. And his impact on India's economy, India's future shaping will remain forever. He was a man known for economic reforms. Same time, he was a man known for farm loan waiver, for midday meal programs, for Narega, and so on. So working with him, I had the great honor and pleasure to work with Dr. Manmohan Singh in his cabinet. He was a man of humility, kindness, highly accomplished economist, a true scholar. At the same time, he was not the one to look for limelight or seek recognition. Quietly did his job. He was a true congressman. It's a loss for the Congress party, but for the entire country. I think a whole generation of Indians will remember him, his benign demeanor, the way he conducted himself. And while I was working with him as minister, he encouraged discussion, debates, sought opinion, gave space for us to work. So I remember him as a mentor, as someone who I was very close to very personally, but a man with impeccable integrity, and he will be most remembered for that. And I think he said it in his lifetime that history will judge him more kindly. And not a day has passed since he's no more with us, but already we are seeing an outpouring of emotion, not just in this country, but all around the world. And उनके जाने से जो दुख हमको है आज, व्यक्तिगत रूप से है, पार्टी के तरफ से है, लेकिन देश ने एक ऐसा व्यक्ति खोया है जो अपनी विनम्रता, अपनी सहजता, अपनी ईमानदारी और निष्ठा के लिए हमेशा जाने जाएंगे। उन्होंने जो परमाणु करार किया अमेरिका के साथ, जो आर्थिक निवेश की जो नई परियोजनाएं लेकर आए, जो रिफॉर्म उन्होंने किए वित्त मंत्री के रूप में, RBI के गवर्नर के रूप में और देश के प्रधानमंत्री के रूप में, उनका कार्यकाल हमेशा एक ऐसा कार्यकाल के नाम से याद किया जाएगा जब उन्होंने एक हर वर्ग को कुछ ना कुछ दिया और अपनी सादगी और अपनी ईमानदारी के लिए एक बहुत बड़ी मिसाल हम सब लोगों के लिए छोड़ के जाएंगे।